Right now, polish 10 toes down.
Hey y'all, Tanisha's here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Diary of a Hairstylist, where I do daily vlogs and hair tutorials. So today I'm doing a Microloc installation and we're starting off with a shampoo using Sacred. My client brought her Hydration Hero Kit and it was so nice. I really love the shampoo. The conditioner, I could definitely say that it needs more penetration, but the shampoo was really good and the hair lotion before the blow dry was really good. So here I am using the conditioner. It was really good, but it definitely needs more penetration for kinky hair that's really dry, but it still did the job and detangled the hair.
If you get too close, tell a nigga back back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back.
So here I'm using the hydrating hair lotion from Sacred and it is really good. I really liked it. It made her hair feel really soft, and when I was doing the blow dry, her hair was really smooth. So the hydrating lotion, definitely a good one. So here I'm doing her blow dry, but y'all, I promise I am not like being rough. It may look like it here, but I am not being rough and it does not hurt. So yes, I just wanted to state that because it looks like I'm like yanking her hair, but I'm really not.
Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. I don't care if we on a run. Nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. I need a big cage.
So my client wanted this lock installed in the back of her hair. I think they call it a love lock, and I was like, yes, we could definitely do it. At first she thought it was weird, but I was like, nah, we're definitely doing this. So we added a love lock in the back of her hair and it came out cute.
I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride. Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby. baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night when we gon' slide. Up all night when we gon' slide. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
So I know you guys see the different color in the hair that I'm adding to make the love lock. This is actually her deceased mother's hair that she wanted to add to the back of her hair. And I've seen this many times with other clients where they would take their parents' hair or a loved one's hair and add it to their hair. At first my client thought it was really weird, but I was like, no, this is completely normal. I've seen it plenty of times, and I honestly felt like it's something so beautiful because, you know, once someone passes away, you no longer see them anymore. So to have something so precious like this, especially hair, it made me even think of, like, you know, when my parents pass away, what am I going to keep that, you know, what is something that I would keep that I would just cherish? And I would definitely do my mom's hair, like, honestly, and add it to one of my locks, because that's just so beautiful to me, honestly. So as you can see here, I'm gonna start her micro locks, and the way I start my micro locks is that I plait them at the bottom and twist, 2-strand twist the rest of the hair, and then I go back in and I interlock the roots of the hair just to secure the space and to, like, just start the lock process. You guys are gonna see that I leave the ends of her hair kind of poofy because she wanted to curl her ends when she got home. At first we were gonna use mousse to curl it, but the mousse ended up not looking right. So I just left the ends of her hair for her to use her hair curling products so she can have those cute curls at the ends of her hair when she moisturizes her hair.
It's a choice, oh yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I am cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't cap on no phony. You don't believe you don't know me. I don't be playing no games. I just want you on the same. But you don't hear what I'm saying. That it's all just some game. Yeah, yeah, I don't play. Yeah, yeah, the fucking play. Yeah, girl, I go HP. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, you know me, babe. No, no, I ain't your homie, babe. Yeah, I'd rather be lonely, babe. Need your love, come and put it on me, babe. Pulling up, yeah, you know I won't be late. Pussy acting up, yeah, you know it's gon' be, hey. Give me love me like you know me, babe. Waking up, and you know it's on me, hey. Got 100 different reasons just to go and play. I ain't tryna show you pussy, yeah, it's on these shit. Let the city see it, titties, girl, don't close these shit. She naked when she be with me, giving clothes a break. Pussy get wetter for me like it knows my face. She ride it until she come and make my nose ring crack. So when they hit it, make her feel like she got no spring break. I hit it until the box without no spring spray. I hit it till the pussy look like it don't seem straight. If you coolin' with your bitch, make sure you don't bring shade. If she thirsty for the dick, you know I won't restrain. I leave some water on the floor, no it won't be rain. Killin' the pussy make me hungry, need a 4-piece bag. Don't want your bitch, she look like she from where the dope fiends hang. I'm in the city where the motherfucking coke fiends hang. Don't wanna fuck a bitch and give a bitch a nosebleed, damn. Calling your phone cause I'm lonely. Hopefully you gon' phone me. I don't cap on no phony. You don't believe you don't know me. I don't be playing no games. I just want you on the same. But you don't hear what I'm saying.
Anyway, you always got on some fly blue suit. Your cufflinks are shining all bright.
Baby, 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 will you ever know?
I'm saying, he don't even know what he's doing to me. Got me feeling all crazy inside. I'm feeling like,
Oh, I'm doing more than I've ever done for anyone. Take notice of what's in front of you, cause when I mention you welcome me so good thing. And you'll never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, cause my loving feels like ooh, you don't know my name. And I swear it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. Oh, but you never know it. No, 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 no. No, no. And it feels like ooh, you don't know my name. Baby, baby, I swear it's like ooh, but you don't know my name. No, no, no. And it feels like
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my headaches, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you.
I'm the main one lying. I don't blame it on me if you're the main one lying. I ain't threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying. Just tryna be your everything. Main one crying. How you fighting on me and I'm the main one crying? Are you blaming on me if you're the main one crying? Are you threatening to leave and I'm the main one crying?
Let me lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Getting shawty, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now your life fuck Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the gram, trying to figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watching real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need a main guy, your own fence. No kid, money, these grown men. Had a week, I'm up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back at knees and bring them in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many, all in your direction. Choices like testing. Just yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, they don't call back. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back.
Wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just tryna get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gon' be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. 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 Care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a big cage. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace, so we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission, but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl. Drop it, give me 50. You should slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Keep the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of a brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Say you're happy now. Hope you're happy now. I wish I could bank on us, on us. You can get none, bye bye, run baby bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna stay, then I'll you play with my yeah. You playing with my yeah. You playing with my you playing with me, oh boy. Take me over, I know you got the run. Oh, take me under, I want you to be mine. Oh, you can get none, bye bye, run baby bye. I can get the real love all your time. I just need your heart to see. I just need the air you breathe. But you can get one. You can get one from me. One from me. You can get one from me. Let it out, take it back, talking shit all you do. Couldn't help thinking of what did you put me through. More than your behavior. But if you think I'm gonna stay, then you can get way. You can get way. Then you can get way. Then you can get way. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play with me, babe, play with me, baby. Play a little game with you, cause if you wanna say, then you playing with my yeah. You playing with my yeah. You playing with my you playing with me, oh boy.
So guys, this is the end of the video. This is how her hair came out. It's so cute. I love the style that she chose to do. It came out really nice, and this is the start of her loc journey. But guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you guys on the next video.